Are you looking for the top 5 best dishwashers for every home? Tired of spending your evenings scrubbing dirty dishes? Here are the 5 best dishwashers I found and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Finish Jet Dry Rinse Aid. The Finish Jet Dry Dishwasher Rinse Aid caught my eye, especially considering over 40,000 units sold in the past month. Priced affordably, this is a must-have companion for your dishwasher. If you want sparkling, spot-free dishes, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Rinse Aid really enhances drying and cuts down on water spots, which means your glasses will shine like they just came out of a fancy restaurant. With 3x better drying than detergent alone, you won't have to deal with that annoying chore of towel drying dishes. And let's be real, nobody has time for that. Plus, it's designed to tackle hard water residue, ensuring your dishes look pristine every time. The fact that it's compatible with most dishwashers makes it super easy to integrate. Now, some people complained about it being a bit messy if overfilled. Here's the thing though, just be careful when adding it to the Rinse Aid compartment. It's not a deal breaker if you're mindful. This is perfect for you if you want to keep your glassware looking brand new without extra effort. Skip this one if you're not using a dishwasher at all. For a small investment, it really boosts your washing game. Now, if the idea of adding Rinse Aid seems like too much hassle, this next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. U-Homey Countertop Dishwasher. The U-Homey Countertop Dishwasher is a portable wonder, and at $269.99, it's a steal for those with limited space. It's compact yet surprisingly powerful, making it an excellent choice for apartments or RVs. If you want a dishwasher that adapts to your lifestyle, this one is worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With its 5-liter built-in water tank, you can set it up anywhere without needing a faucet hookup. It offers 6 wash programs, including a baby care mode that heats water to a scorching 167 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for cleaning your little one's bottles and dishes. This ensures everything is sanitized and spotless, which is especially important for families. The 29-minute quick wash is another gem, allowing you to get clean dishes in no time. And with the air dry feature, you won't have to worry about unpleasant odors lingering. Now, some users mentioned it can be a bit noisy during operation, but here's the thing, if you're using it during the day or in a busy kitchen, it's really not that noticeable. This is perfect for you if you live in a small space but still want the convenience of a dishwasher. Skip this one if you have a larger kitchen with more permanent installations planned. For under $300, it really packs a punch in functionality. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might act. Product number 3. Comfy Portable Mini Dishwasher. Next up is the Comfy Portable Mini Dishwasher, priced at $261.81. It's a compact solution for those who need to save space without sacrificing performance. If you want a mini dishwasher that gets the job done, this is definitely one to consider. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features a built-in 5-liter water tank and can easily be hooked up to a faucet for continuous use. With 6 wash programs, including a high-temp hygiene cycle that reaches 192 degrees Fahrenheit, you can ensure even the toughest messes are taken care of. Plus, the air refresh function keeps your dishes and the machine smelling fresh, which is a game changer for smaller living spaces. The ultra-compact design allows it to fit in tight spots while still handling over 30 items per load. Now, some users reported that it might struggle with very greasy pots and pans, but honestly, as long as you don't overload it and pre-rinse a bit, it performs admirably. This is perfect for you if you're in a small apartment or RV and need something that's easy to store. Skip this if you frequently host large dinners and need a bigger capacity. It's a solid investment for anyone needing efficiency in a compact package. Now, if you need something with a bit more advanced features, the next product number 4, Novette Portable Countertop Dishwasher. The Novette Portable Countertop Dishwasher is next, retailing at $294. It's an excellent option that offers a mix of features in a compact design. If you're after versatility and ease of use, this one's worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It supports both faucet and water tank modes, so you can choose what works best for your kitchen setup. It holds up to 12-inch dishes, accommodating full plates with ease. The baby care mode is another highlight, operating at a high temperature to ensure thorough cleaning of baby items. Plus, with 60 minutes of drying and a 72-hour ventilation system, you can rest easy knowing your dishes will stay fresh and odor-free. Now, a few people mentioned that the capacity may seem limiting for larger families, but I'll be real with you. For most people, especially singles or couples, this is more than adequate for daily use. This is perfect for you if you have a small household and want something functional and easy to store. Skip this if you regularly entertain large groups. Product number 5, Comfy Portable Dishwasher. Finally, we have the Comfy Portable Dishwasher, priced at $249.99. This model is designed for convenience and efficiency, making it a great choice for anyone short on space. If you want an easy-to-use, effective dishwasher, this one is worth your attention. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features 6 wash programs, including a quick wash and a hygiene cycle that heats water up to 162 degrees Fahrenheit. This means it can handle everything from delicate glassware to greasy pots without missing a beat. The air refresh function is a nice touch, ensuring your dishes smell fresh when they're stored. With its compact design, it can wash over 30 items in one go, so you won't be doing multiple loads. Now, some users have indicated the water tank could be a little more spacious, but here's the thing. As long as you refill it as needed, it's not a significant issue. This is perfect for you if you live in a tight space but still want the luxury of a dishwasher. Skip this one if you need a heavy-duty machine for big families. For its price, it offers fantastic value for compact kitchens. So if you're looking for solid performance in smaller packages, this is a great pick. To wrap things up, we've covered the finished jet dry rinse aid for that extra shine, the UHomey countertop dishwasher for portability, the Comfy mini dishwasher for compact solutions, the Novette for versatility, and the Comfy portable dishwasher for efficiency. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the UHomey countertop dishwasher because it perfectly balances size, functionality, and price. On the other hand, I'd avoid the Novette if you need something with larger capacity for bigger families. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.